Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn rate analysis of the brick masonry work. So let us start the rate analysis of the block masonry work. Now assume the volume of the brick masonry as 1 cubic meter. Size of the brick is 19 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. Thickness of the mortar is 10 mm. Size of brick with mortar now 20 cm by 10 cm by 10 cm. Next step is to work out the numbers of brick required. For that, volume of the brick masonry divided by volume of one brick with mortar. Put this value in this formula, we will get number of brick as 500 numbers. Next step is volume of brick without mortar. Now volume of brick without mortar is 0.19 by 0.009 by 0.009. It is multiplied with recently worked out number of brick 500. So the volume of brick come is 0.7695 cubic meter. Moving forward to the next step, volume of the mortar. Volume of the mortar equal to quantity of the brickwork minus volume of the brickwork. So the quantity is 1 cubic meter minus the volume of brickwork is 0.7695. So the volume of mortar is 0.2305 cubic meter. Now our mix ratio is 1 part cement and 6 part of sand. So next step is to work out quantity of the cement. Now dry volume equal to wet volume into 1.33. Our volume of mortar is 0.235 multiplied by 1.33. So dry volume come is 0.3066 cubic meter. Quantity of cement equal to part of the cement divided by sum of the mortar ratio into dry volume. In our case, part of cement equal to 1, sum of the ratio 1 plus 6 means 7 and dry volume is 0.3066. Putting this value in the formula, we get the quantity of cement as 0.0438 cubic meter. Now quantity of cement in kg. Quantity of cement in cubic meter multiplied by the density of the cement, we get the quantity of cement in kg. So density of cement is 1440 kg per cubic meter. Putting the values in the formula, we get quantity of cement in kg, that is come around 63.072 kg. Converted into the bag, so 63 kg multiplied by 50 kg, so it is come 1.261 bag. Moving forward, next step is quantity of sand in kg. Part of cement divided by sum of the mortar ratio into the dry volume. Part of sand equal to 6, sum of the mortar ratio 1 plus 6 equal to 7 and dry volume is 0.3066. Putting this value in the formula, we get the quantity of cement 0.2628 cubic meter. Now 1 cubic meter of sand equal to 35.314 cubic feet. Quantity of sand in cubic feet equal to 0.2628 into 35.314 equal to 9.28 cubic feet. Density of cement equal to 17 kg per cubic meter. This is not the standard, but generally it is coming between 1600 to 1800. So now our next step is to work out the material cost. Prepared one table: material, theoretical quantity, wastage, actual quantity, rate, unit, cost. Material used are bricks, cement, sand. Theoretical quantity: brick 500 numbers, cement 1.26 bag, sand 0.2628 cubic meter. Wastage for brick is 10%, wastage for cement 2%, wastage for sand 5%. Actual quantity: for brick is now 550, cement 1.28 cubic 1.28 bag, sand 0.27 cubic meter. Rate: brick 5000 rupees per thousand number, cement 350 rupees per bag, sand 1500 rupees per cubic meter. Putting this value multiplied by the rate, we got the cost. Cost for brick is 2750 rupees, cement 449.82 rupees, sand 413.91. Total cost is 3613.73. Now our next step is to work out the labor cost. One more important thing is area of brick. We are work out for 9-inch wall. So area of brick now is volume divided by thickness. So volume is 1, thickness of the wall is 0.2, so 5 square meter. Now labor constant we have picked up from the IS 7272 part 1 1974. Now the labor constant for mason is 0.25, for mazdoor it is 0.4, and for bisti it is 0.1. Now wage per day for mason it is 700, for mazdoor it is 400, and for bisti it is 400. Now these all constant taken for 1 square meter. We have quantity of 5 square meter. So multiplied this constant to the 5 square meter. So revised quantity is 0.25 into 5, 0.4 into 5, 0.1 into 5. So mason 1.25, mazdoor 2, bisti 0.5. Now quantity multiplied by the wages, we got the cost. For mason it is 875, for mazdoor it is 800, for bisti it is 200. So total cost is coming 1875. We reach to our last point, that is summary. So material cost is 3613.73, labor cost 1875, water charges we have added 1.5% of material plus labor cost, so it is coming 82.331. Tools, tackle, machinery we have picked up 3% of material cost and labor cost, so it is coming 164.662. Contractors profit 15% of material cost and labor cost, so it is 860.358. so total cost is 6596.08. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, like it, subscribe it, tap on the bell icon so you can get my videos on regular basis. Thank you very much.